In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Kit. We're going to focus specifically on adding images to your emails, whether you're working with broadcasts or sequences. The process is the same in both, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel very natural. First, open the email you want to edit in Kit and navigate to the section where you'd like your image to appear. Take a moment to place your cursor exactly where you want that image to go. This could be between two paragraphs, under a heading, or at the very top of your message. The placement matters because Kit will insert the image right where your cursor is sitting. Once your cursor is in place, you'll see a small plus icon appear on the left side of that blank line. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is Kit's content block menu, and it's how you add different types of elements, like images, buttons, and more, directly into your email. After you've clicked the plus icon, a menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose Image. Selecting Image tells Kit that the next block you want to insert is an image block, and it will open up the tools you need to add your file. Now you'll be prompted to either upload a file from your device or select an existing image from your media gallery. If you already have the image saved on your computer, click to upload and browse to that file. Try to use a high-quality image that isn't too large in file size so it loads quickly for your subscribers. If you've uploaded images before or you use the same graphics frequently, you can choose one from the media gallery instead. This is especially useful for logos, banners, or common visuals you reuse across campaigns. Once the image is inserted into your email, you can customize how it looks. Click directly on the image to bring up the editing options in the right-hand sidebar. Here you can adjust the alignment, such as centering the image or aligning it to the left or right. You can also tweak the size to make it larger for emphasis or smaller so it doesn't overpower your text. Finally, you have the option to add a link to your image. This is great for making banners or product photos clickable. Just paste in the URL you want people to visit when they click the image and save your changes, and that's all you need to insert and adjust images in your Kit emails.